This is your Hungry Daddy G, and we are back again with another video. So today is Saturday, and I just finished editing second day of our Boracay trip. And you know what? While I was editing, I just realized that we've been eating food from the hotel for the whole day. So that's the reason for the title of this video. At hindi ko na rin patatagalin pa. Let me go ahead and share to you what happened in our second day in Boracay. Alright, good morning guys. This is day 2 of our Boracay trip, and let's see if gising na si Tala so that we can have our breakfast. So, I'm going to the other room. Tala! Good morning! Good morning! Say hi! Good morning! Do you feel better now?
Let's go.
Let's go, let's have our breakfast.
Yay!
Let's go, let's go. Oh, yan. Para... Yan. Rise and shine, my little star.
Let's go up.
Let's go, let's go. So, we'll just wait for Tala and Mami Lay to prepare, and we'll be down in a bit to have our breakfast. Alright, so we're in the elevator right now, going down. Mag-breakfast muna kami. Let's go, let's go.
Tapos may isang kayan tayo sa labas daw.
Oo, meron. So, ayan. So, dito sa La Carmela, meron silang mga parang area dito na pwede mong tambayan, mag-picture-picture.
What's in? Boracay!
talk about our breakfast here in the veranda. First thing, we thought it was a buffet. Siguro nag-assume lang kami na buffet, pero set meal pala siya as part of our accommodation. But it's not that bad as well. And you have four choices there. I got sweet and sour chicken. Comes with scrambled egg, rice. I have some veggies on the side and a banana, as well as iced tea. And Mommy Lay got pancakes. Pinag-share nila ni Tala yung pancakes. Chicken was so good, as well as the sauce, and pretty much you know how it tastes, yung rice natin and the scrambled egg. Nothing really special, but the amount is pretty decent enough para mabusog ka for your breakfast. So, and I think sobrang sulit din ng breakfast nila dito sa La Carmela. But right now, Tala is preparing to go to the beach, as well as Pipay, and then later on siguro we'll try to look for a place where we can have our lunch. So, I'll see you guys at lunchtime. Ayun na nga, so after namin mag-beach, medyo nakatulog si Tala, and we actually waited for her to wake up before we had our lunch. So, ayan, tingnan natin kung anong kinain namin for lunch. So what up guys, it's already 4 in the afternoon, and we are about to have our lunch, and yes, we are actually having a late lunch kasi after ng beach, nakatulog si Tala, so we had to wait for her to wake up before we take our lunch. So and because of that, we decided to just have some room service. And from the room service menu, we ordered Fiesta Platter. So yung Fiesta Platter is 405 pesos. It comes with 2 pork barbecue, and I think 3 pieces of shrimp, and then squid, and then a quarter leg of chicken. So yun, yun muna yung kakainin namin for lunch, and then siguro later na lang ulit kami mag-explore ng mga food places dito sa Boracay.
Yummy, Daddy, you eat.
Wow!
Wow.
Okay. So I'm trying the pork barbecue right now, and the flavor is similar to the one that we had last night, yung chicken barbecue natin. And I think their barbecue sauce is pretty much unique and delicious.
Okay.
And I have another chicken barbecue right now on my plate.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi guys.
try their squid.
Real squid.
May palaman na kamatis, sibuyas yung squid nila. Sarap. We'll try their shrimp. Anong shrimp na?
Steamed lang.
Steamed?
Steamed.
Steamed shrimp. Yummy. And we also have a couple of veggies on the plate. We have tomatoes, cucumber, and lettuce. Alright, so we'll finish this food and we'll see you guys at dinner.
Alright, so and then after lunch, nagpahinga na rin lang din kami, and we were planning actually to go out and explore different food places in the island. However, we realized rin na parang masulit kumain dun sa dinner buffet ng La Carmela. Just imagine, 295 pesos and sobrang madami ka nang makakain and sobrang sulit, sobrang sarap. So we decided to just have our dinner in the hotel. So let's see kung ano yung makakain natin for 295 pesos in our second day of dinner buffet. So ayun, no, after our dinner, lumabas lang kami saglit to, you know, feel the island at night, and had a couple of beers and listened to the band singing, and we called it a day. Alright, so that is it for today's video. If you're new in my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell for notification para updated kayo palagi sa mga videos na ina-upload ko. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And you can comment down below kung ano pa yung mga food places na gusto nyong itry namin. And syempre, medyo challenging lang siya ngayong pandemic, but we'll try our very best to cover those. But of course, we are going to prioritize our safety first. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you guys again on the next one. Peace!